Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the extendable tripod selfie stick with Bluetooth shutter that I bought online. Let's dive right in. First off, this selfie stick is super affordable, which makes it a great option for anyone looking to up their selfie game without breaking the bank. I found this gem on Shopee and you can find the link in the video description below. Inside the box, we have extendable selfie stick, a detachable Bluetooth shutter, and the user manual. The quality feels really nice. It's sturdy but lightweight, perfect for on-the-go use. Now, let's set it up and see how it works. As you can see, it opens up into a tripod, which is perfect for stable shots. The phone holder is adjustable and fits my phone perfectly. Connecting the Bluetooth shutter is really simple. Long press to turn it on, and go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. Look for a selfie and pair it with the device. And just like that, we're ready to take some photos. Let's give it a try. Wow, that was quick and easy. The shutter is very responsive. Now, let's check out how tall this tripod can get. This selfie stick extends up to 1.7 meters, which is fantastic for group shots and getting that perfect angle. Look at this height. It's perfect for any situation, whether you're at a concert, family gathering, or just exploring. So that's the extendable tripod selfie stick with Bluetooth shutter. It's affordable, versatile, and super easy to use. If you want to get your hands on one, check out the link in the video description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.